This is what Buddy does when I will not touch him. You can't handle when I don't touch you? What? You want Daddy? Get back on the couch. What do you want? Okay, can you sneeze? Sneeze. 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 Stop growling. Sneeze. Sneeze. Buddy, sneeze. Sneeze again. Sneeze. Good. Okay, alright. Hi, boy. Hi. Oh, I love you too. Okay, back off.